Exercise 6b, question number 3 of D3. Given that the coordinates of the point P and Q are minus 2, 6 and 9, 3 respectively, find part A of question number 3. The coordinates of point R that lies on the y-axis. Here we must know that whenever any point lies on a y-axis, their x coordinate always equals to 0. When the point is on y-axis, point of R, x, R and y R lies on y-axis. I am explaining it one more time why I am saying it deeply so you can understand what I am trying to say. This is on y-axis means it is not on the right hand of x-axis and not on the left hand of the x-axis. It is on the origin. When the point is on the origin of x-axis, y-axis, so their x coordinate will be 0. So coordinate of x of R is 0 and we don't know the coordinate of y, so we will take y here. If my point will lie on x-axis, so I will take y 0 and x will be x. Clear? Now point of P, which is xp and yp, which is given in the question minus 2 and 6, and point of Q, which is x coordinate of Q and y coordinate of Q. It is given in the question. This is 9 and 3. Now we have decided the point. Now let me recall the question what they asked. The coordinate of the point R, we have to find the coordinate of R. One I have already find out that the one coordinate x coordinate of R is 0. Now I have to find the y coordinate of R bracket. So that lies on the y-axis such that PR is equals to 0. We are given the condition which is PR is equals to QR. Now PR equals to QR. This is the distance. So we have to take a formula of distance, and the formula of distance we have square root x coordinate of R minus x coordinate of P square plus y coordinate of R minus y coordinate of P whole square equals to square root x coordinate of R minus x coordinate of Q square plus y coordinate of R minus y coordinate of Q square. Now you have square root on both sides and these are the factors, so I can cancel this square root with the square root. I will take only the values without the square root. xr is 0, so I will write 0 here. Then minus xp is minus 2, so minus minus plus 2 whole square plus yr is y, we will write y here, minus yp is 6, so I will write 6 here, square is equals to xr is 0, I will write 0 here, minus xq is 9, I will write 9 here, square plus yr, where is the yr, here is the yr is y, then minus yq is 3, so I will write 3 here, square. This is 0 plus 2 gives you 2 only. They cannot solve, so they cannot solve easily, so y minus 6 will remain as it is. 0 minus 9, this is minus 9 square plus y minus 3 whole square. This is 2 to the 4. Now we have the formula here, 4 y minus 6, we have the formula of a minus b ka whole square. This is a square minus 2 a b and plus b square. We have y and 6 and we have 6. Now equals to square of 9 gives you 81 plus again we have the formula here, a square minus 2 ab plus b square. we have y as a, y 3 and 3. This is 4 plus square of y is y minus 2 6 are 12, 12 y's are 2 6 are 12, 12 y's are 12y plus of this 6 6 are 36 equals to 81 will comes as it is plus y square. These three terms are multiplying with each other. 2y's are 2y and 2y multiplied by 3 gives you 2 3's are 6y sign of negative plus square of 3 is 9. Now we have y square here and we have y square here. They both are with the same sign, so they can cancel with each other. Now 4 and 36, this is minus 12y will remain as it is, and 4 plus 36 give you 40. I will write 40 here equals to 81 plus 9 gives you 90 minus 6y. Transpose this minus 2y there and 90 here. So 40 minus 90 equals to 12y comes here with the positive sign, then minus 6y remains here as it is. 40 minus 90 gives you 50 minus 50 and 12 minus 6 gives you 6y. This 6 is multiplying, so it will be transposed, and 50 will be divided by the 6, so 50 divided by the 6 gives you y, and minus sign will comes as it is. Take it as a whole number. 6 8s are 48, you have 2 left, and upon 6, so it can reduce. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. We have the answer of y is minus 8 in the whole, and 1 upon 3 is the answer. So coordinate of r we have find out. First, because it is on the y-axis, so that's why its x coordinate is 0, and y coordinate we have find it right now. Minus 8 whole 1 upon 3 is the y coordinate of point r. Thank you.